Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change pointer color or cursor color in macOS. So what you can do here is you can go to the settings, system settings, and then you can go to the accessibility, then display, and from here you can actually change the pointer color or size, everything. Or maybe you can actually click here in the search box and then search pointer, okay, and then pointer, select pointer, and here you can see now if you change here color, either you have to actually increase the size, then you can change the color, right? On the other hand, you can actually change it. I mean, the changes are not applied, okay? So in this video I will actually fix these issues. So what you have to do here, you just have to actually check it, color filter, you can see, and choose blue or yellow filter. Now you can actually go with the green or red or green filter. Just go through them, and if you find anything changes, let's say here you can see the folder. If you look at the folder, you can see when I said blue and yellow filter, it's become more yellow and blue become more blue, right? Okay, now you can actually change any color. Here you can see we have blue here, let's say, and here you can see color is changed, right? We don't have to actually upload here. Pointer size, we don't have to actually increase it, okay? But our color is changed. So guys, if you have the issue, now you can see I have solved it. This video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.